Kagiso Media is one of South Africa's largest media companies and is owned in part by the Kagiso Trust. 36% of our profits go towards supporting the Trust's mission to improve the quality of education in South Africa, specifically in maths and science. Because the Trust, which was started in the 1980s, is our largest shareholder, our business is about profit with a purpose. Hence, Kagiso Media's vision is to build communities for good. Built on the back of an investment in radio in 1996, Kagiso Media is now a diversified media company with reach across radio, TV and online media, backed up with industry-leading analytics and research companies. Today, the Kagiso Media Group is able to offer a fully integrated solution, allowing us to identify new audience opportunities, produce world-class content experiences, distribute them across both broadcast and digital channels, and commercialize them. We excel at niche, interest-specific or regional content, but have also proven ourselves in developing mass-market propositions. More importantly, we know how to create sustainable audiences and keep those communities engaged over multiple platforms, having built the largest online audiences of any broadcaster in South Africa. Based on measurable insights and data, we can help you develop compelling content experiences that draw audiences, tap into communities, and create conversations while distributing them across our channels and beyond. Here is how. Knowledge Factory and KLA are two leading South African research companies. They specialize in consumer and audience insights. Knowledge Factory looks at using its unique ability to integrate different data sets to deliver a truly 360-degree view of the customer, allowing an enhanced ability to engage relevantly with the consumers and audiences at every touchpoint. KLA uses agile methodology to deliver customer insights that are sharp, clear, and effective in order for brands to act on their understanding, manipulate their position in the market, and pivot their offering when the opportunity arises. Content Studio, our content marketing division, helps you turn these insights into creative content ideas. Tapping into the best creative brains from Kagiso Media and its partners, the Content Studio teams work with yours to create content programs across all media channels that help you connect with your consumers, build your own audiences, and convert them into customers. Urban Brew Studios is Africa's largest independently owned production facility. Urban Brew produces some of South Africa's most popular TV shows and can help your business deliver innovative, branded entertainment television shows across any channel on the continent. Juta is South Africa's oldest publishing house, specializing in education and legal information content. Juta can work with you to design education and training programs or give you access to a wide range of industry-specific information. East Coast Radio and Jacaranda FM are amongst the most successful commercial radio stations in South Africa. Each station can help you produce engaging content experiences ranging from specialized audio shows or video inserts to mass and niche events as well as competitions. Celebs is South Africa's fastest growing black entertainment and celebrity news brand, reaching over 2.5 million young South Africans each week. Celebs can help you connect with South Africa's youth market through bespoke content solutions including events, videos, and online competitions. Beyond the creation of content, our teams at MediaMark can help you identify the best channels to distribute your content, giving you access to over 10.5 million South Africans and other Pan-African audiences through television, radio, and digital channels. Ultimately, we want to help you build meaningful engagements with consumers and long-lasting communities for your brand. In today's media world, where everyone can play, only a few brands succeed. Insights, production, and distribution are all essential components. Let us share our secrets with you and put the full power of the Kagiso Media Group behind your success.